Yeah, what's up, guys? My name is Ravi and this is and this yeah, and let's start it again. Yeah, what's up, guys? My name is Ravi and today I'm going to talk about ID Plan Petabyte 5 second chapter programming basics. So I'm reading this only in front of you. I have not read this before, so I'm going to learn on this video too, and you guys can also learn new on this video. Okay. So if anyone there, they can ask the question also. What? If anyone there who see the video this time, yes, they can ask a question also. Yes, you can. You guys can ask the question also. Okay. So let's do it. Introduction to programming. Topics covered in this chapter is introduction to programming, algorithm, flowchart, program, categories of computer, communicate with each other, you need some language. Okay, similarly to communicate with a computer, you need a computer language. Computer language consists of a set of words, symbols, and codes that is used to create a computer program. In this chapter, we are going to study about how to write a program stepwise. Okay. Then, introduction to programming. Humans can understand a variety of spoken languages, Hindi, English, Punjabi, etc. Whereas computers cannot understand these languages, computers understand only one language. That is machine language. If, if someone asks you to add 8 plus 5, you will quickly give the answer 13. But if the same question is asked to computer, it will not be able to answer this. This is because your instruction is not understood by the computer. It can understand the instructions in the computer language. The set of instructions written in language which a computer can understand is called a program. Okay. Whenever you have to solve any problem, you or do any work, you have to follow a step by step procedure so that you can get the best results for it. In the same way, a computer also solves its problems in a step by step procedure to give you program in a step by step manner. Okay. Okay. Basically, a computer program involves three steps: algorithm, creating an algorithm, flowchart, program, converting flowchart into a program. Okay, specific pattern of steps and specific pattern of steps to achieve specific objectives. Before writing the program, an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve any particular task, such as mathematical or logical problem. The possible steps are as follows: take money and go to garment shop in the market. Tell shopkeeper which color and style of shirt you want. Choose and finalize the desired shirt. Pay money to the shopkeeper. Take the balance amount, if any, from the shopkeeper. Finally, you get the desired results. A new shirt. More examples of algorithm. An algorithm to add any two numbers. Step 1, start. 2, take two numbers and add two. Print the result. Stop. This is an algorithm to add two numbers. An algorithm to find the greater number of the two. Step 1, start. Step 2, take two numbers A or B. Step 3, compare these two numbers as if A is greater than B. Then go to step 4 or else go to step 6. Step 4, print A is greater. Step 5, stop. Step 6, print B is greater. Go to step 5. Like, we have to go like print A is greater or print B is greater, then we have to like go to step 5 and then stop. Okay, so flowchart. A flowchart is a diametric representation of a problem solving process, i.e., algorithm. It is called a flowchart as it charts the flow of a program. The direction of flowchart is in a flowchart. Direction of flow in a flowchart is always from top to bottom. Hermann Goldstein and John von Neumann. Hermann Goldstein and John von Neumann developed a flowchart, originally a diagram, to plan computer programs. Okay. Then, in a flowchart, each operation is represented using specific geometrical symbols. These symbols are connected to each other by arrows to show the operations. Flowing are some basic used. Okay, look. Can you see? This is like turning down and up. Okay. So it was saying start or stop box. It is an oval using and the end of the flowchart. It shows the starting and the ending of a flowchart. Input or output box. It's a parallelogram shaped box that is used to indicate the input and output of a program, the instructions related to the computer, to the input and getting the result. Processing box. It is a rectangle shaped box that is used to show the processing part of the flowchart, like calculation. Decision box. It is a rhombus shaped box that is used to check the conditions, display comparisons, and take the decisions to solve the problems. Follow lines. These are the arrow lines used to connect the different shapes and show the flow of logic in a flowchart. Connectors. It is a circle shaped symbol that is used to join the parts of a flowchart. Advantages of flowchart. Flowchart helps in analyzing the problem in a more effective way. This is a better way of communicating the logic of a system. It acts as a guide during the program development phase. It helps in finding out errors. Okay, so disadvantages of flowchart. Sometimes the flowchart becomes complex if the program logic is long. If you want to change something in flowchart, you have to redraw it. Okay. Then rules of making a flowchart. There are some rules that should be followed while making a flowchart. While drawing a proper flowchart, all necessary requirements should be listed out in a logical order. Okay. Then the flowchart should be clear, neat, and easy to follow. Only one flow line should be in conjunction with the terminal symbol. The direction of flow in a flowchart should be from top to bottom to make it. Okay, then